Hello all. So my name is Jayesh Singhania, and I'm 20 years old. So my purpose to come for Sujok therapy was to increase my height because I wanted to see I had this conscious that if I can increase just 2-3 inches, it will really help me in my career and future. So that's the reason which I came for, and so that's what I'm here for. And I got to know about Sujok therapy from my sister, my own sister. She had jaundice before, and she came to for all her treatments, and she really got well. So that's how I came to know about Sujok, and I started coming here. So it's my target is after this treatment that I want to achieve at least 4 to 5 inches of my height. I wanted to increase that, so we are still working on that, and we will hit the target very soon, or at least more than halfway go. So it will be a very good thing for my treatment. So I'm visiting Come for Life's Begumpet branch, and with consulting Dr. Jignesh Gokani. I've started this from 11 December 2020, and it was also my exam period, but still doctor took my treatment, and he's been treating me. So far, if I have to say, it's my 23rd session. Like, I've done 22 sessions till date, and if I have to say the effects of that, I didn't used to work out, I didn't used to exercise before, but after his treatment and he pushing me that you need to exercise, you need to work out to do better and increase the chances of getting the results. So I've been doing that, and the results have been really good because I'm feeling more stretch, I'm feeling flexible now, I feel more energetic, I can do more stretches like that. So it has made my body more flexible and more energetic, so that's a good sign. It's just that the treatment is still going, and we are working for it, and I'm hoping that it will work, and I have full confidence in that. So my opinion about Sujok therapy is that it's a treatment where you don't need to have any, like, no medicines. I have, sir, doctor till date has not given me any medicines to take or something like that. He has just said me that take these good foods and eat healthy. So my diet has also been very good now, because I used to eat a lot of junk before, but now I'm eating as much healthy as I can. So the content, like the food intake which was bad, now it's also turning to good at a very utmost level. That has been good. So Sujok therapy is very much recommended, if I have to say, because it's drugless. You can just you're just going to get healthy, you're just going to get better, and the treatment will be very well. And so, because you don't have to take any medicine, so you won't have that fear that bekar medicine and this and that, and they don't force you to do this or do that. It's just they understand. Mr. Jignesh Gokani understands you, and he treats you very well, gives time, whatever consultation you need, he'll do that. So I do recommend Sujok therapy because it's drugless, and it's all these like the Sujok therapy, what we say, this, like the seeds and the treatment, because it's so natural that because medicines, everyone doesn't like to take medicines, and even I don't. And these kind of therapies really it seems that it really works, and it is working for me till date, because I feel the senses working on something like that. So I do recommend Sujok therapy from my side, because it's totally drugless and it's very natural.